Uh, Ajay, so when you say that consumption is looking up, then what should one look at? Autos, durable, FMCG? Because we don't know which way Capex is moving, right? That we can't judge. That we'll only figure out in January, February. We can pick out from high frequency data point, GST, alcohol sales, movie footfalls, apparel sales. Those are looking up at, I agree with you, because that's what we also understand. So time to buy consumption, discretionary spends?
See, as I said to you, that the fundamentals are going into the economy is that when you buy anything, obviously the ingredients go in it. FMCG is still a no-go territory, and I think for the simple reason that there's too much of competition in the segment at this point of time. And number two is the newer entrants are coming and playing a bigger game out there. Private labels are coming in. So the so-called entrenched MNCs, I think, will have a very, very troubled time, irrespective where the market moves. And that's the beauty of the market, that somebody else is coming and picking up your cheese in the market share. So market may go up, but those companies will not benefit. Is the old FMCG, MNC world. I think what will benefit? Two-wheelers are going to do definitely very well. I think you have perhaps said, I'm not seeing valuation again, but the point is they have overcorrected to the point where extreme pessimism lies. Two-wheelers will do well. Appliances, I don't see a reason why they will not do well. Requirement of, let's say, if you look at North, requirements of air conditioning and requirement of anti-pollution and requirement of heaters put together, it's a significant bump up in the economy. I think that will go up. So appliances, we are very clear. Hotels, we are very clear. Aviation, we are very clear, is definitely on an uptick in this quarter. There is no doubt about it compared to all analysts. So three segments: appliances, hotels, aviation will directly affect consumption. I'm not sure Capex companies are going to see a major uplift for the simple reason that government spending has to kick in, and I think that's where the bigger problem is. Government is not spending money for rightly reasons, that fiscal deficit, etc., etc. But I think Capex companies will have a little more longer winter than the consumer companies.
Interesting. Ajay, when we were last chatting with you, you were talking about how new IPOs, consumer tech companies, startups, all of them are looking very interesting. From the last month to now, we've had some slew of IPOs and some heavy duty ones as well. Quite intrigued to know whether you was a subscriber in any or bought them on the first day.
I was not subscriber to any IPO in the last 30 days or 60 days, to be fairly pointed in. And I think it's amazing. Someone needs to answer. The dumbest deal went through in this country and all the mutual fund managers took it. What's wrong with you guys that you're buying a car company share which has taken out dividends, which is taking 28,000 crore from this country, and that's equal to what? It's 15 years of profit. It's taken it out and it's all gone out of the country, and you are still buying the share. I think if the award goes, there should be an award issued by you guys. The dumbest deal by investment managers is buying that IPO. That's ridiculous. Total market capitalization of the company is 6,000 crore fixed assets. We're giving them a valuation of 1.5 lakh crores. Something is wrong with us, and mutual fund managers subscribe to it. So as always happens, it's nothing new. They're not gods. They ride the market. We all think as analysts that we've done a great job of selecting the shares and buying it. But guys, be real. It's a market which gave you the return, and market is telling you how dumb we can be when we buy IPO like that. So yes, IPO, I think it's a slow train. It's been a greedy season for the investment bankers. No reason to buy any of the IPOs literally at this point of time. Maybe a renewable company was good enough, but apart from that, stay away. We'll find these shares much cheaper next year. So I hope greed season is down and realism comes in. But this was a really funny deal, which a smart investment banker and mutual fund managers subscribed. Somebody should ask them, why did you do it?
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.